How to use Google Forms on mobile. To use a Google Forms on a mobile, to create a Google Forms, you need a Google Forms app. So go to the Play Store and here type Google Forms. Here you will get the different options. From this you need to install the Forms app. I have already installed. Let's open that Forms app. So see, this will be look like this Forms app. Just tap on this Forms app. You will get the two options, Google Forms and Survey Heart. You can use the Survey Heart also to create the quizzes, to use the different themes, attachment, etc. Now we'll see how to use the Google Forms. So just tap on Google Forms option. Here is already created forms, previous forms. Now I want to create the new form. So just click on this plus icon at bottom side. Here is available templates, feedbacks, education, health, food, different templates available. But if you want to create a new one, just click on a create a blank form. Here untitled form. So here you can give the name to that form. So type the name. Suppose this is one registration form, Technofest registration form. Okay, description, here you can write the more about this event. You can write the rules of this event and other extra information. Now to create the questions, just click on this plus icon. See, these are the different types of questions available: short answer, long answer, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, linear scale, multiple choice grid, date, time, or you can add the pages also, means the add a section. Now I am selecting the short answer. So here I am writing the student's name. Okay, student's name. Okay, so make it compulsory by using this required option. Now I want the next question. Just click on a plus icon. Now I am selecting the multiple choice. Here gender of that student. Here you can add the option. Just tap on add option. Click here and type the gender. Again tap on add option. Here you can write the next option this way. You can add the other option also. You can enable it, or here also see required, make it compulsory question. So two questions created for my form. In this way you can add the more field, contact number, email address and registrations detail, and you can provide also the options to upload the files also. Okay, now after that just click on a submit. Okay, when you are clicking on a submit, form will ask you collect email address. If you want to collect email address, just tap on this square. Allow multiple response. If you are giving the chance to the participant to fill multiple times this form, just click on multiple responses. Otherwise don't check it. Okay, show summary. I need a summary of this form. Just click on a submit. Okay, just I clicked on the submit by applying the some settings options, means like allow multiple responses and others also. See, here is a form link. Now you can share this form link with this social media platform. You can use the Gmail, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter message, or you can share with any other platform, or just you can copy the link and you can paste as you want. View forms. When you are clicking on view forms, you will get the preview of this form. Now select this link, or if you want to share, you can just click on a share option and you can share on this type of application. So in this way, easily you can create Google Forms using mobile with easy steps. Thank you.